Okay, if I can read the clouds, look like it could be raining, or it's going to rain. All right, I'm at South Pointe Park. I'm walking through the grass, and you see this is Governor's Cut. And the reason they call it Governor's Cut is because in one point in Miami's history, this piece of land here used to stretch all the way across there, and they cut a dock, or they cut the waterway here, such that what you're looking at there is the Port of Miami. You're looking at the city of Miami behind it, and as we get a little further along, you will see the cruise ship terminal where we were trying to take a picture of earlier. At one point, you could actually get in this water, and there was no barrier between you and the cruise ship. After 9/11, all of that changed. Okay, so we have the city of Miami there. We have Fisher Island there. Man, don't tell me. I just put a new battery in. You have a number of celebrities that live there. Okay, and what I'm going to do, I don't know if you can see,